Here is Trombone 1. Measure 9 and measure 10 will take you up to high Fs, which are first position. One more time. Going into measure 12 and 13 takes you up to a high G, which is going to be played in fourth position. A little faster. Measure 14 is going to take you up to that high G again. And then you have the phrase we played before. This is Trombone 1 down the octave. This is going to be the melody, but a lot of the notes that are too high for us when we're first learning how to play our instruments are going to be down the octave. Here's measure 9 and 10, nice and slow. And then measure 11, 12, and 13 will go like this. A little faster. 1, 2, 3. Trombone 2. Do 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 do. That's how that'll go for the first 8 measures. E flats and Ds. 1, 2, 3. Here's measure 9 and 10, nice and slow. And then do da do da do da do. 1, 2, 3. Here's Trombone 3. A lot of whole notes. You're going to be playing B flat and C. B flat and C. Trombone 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that rhythm is not the same as the melody. Da, 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 da. Here goes for measure 12. 2, 3. 1, Trombone 4, playing E flat and D and F. Again, E flat, D, and F. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure those rhythms are not the same speed as the melody notes. Normally we'd hear do da do da do do do, but your part is a little slower to make it a little bit easier to play. Do 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 do.